Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use social media for marketing. First, define your marketing objectives clearly. Are you aiming for brand awareness, lead generation, or customer retention? Next, deeply understand your target audience. Knowing their preferences and online habits is crucial for effective engagement. Finally, research what your competitors are doing well and where they might be falling short. This foundational work sets the stage for a successful social media presence. Once your foundation is set, choose the right platforms. Focus your efforts where your ideal customers spend their time, whether it's Instagram for visuals or LinkedIn for professional networking. Then, craft engaging content. This could include eye-catching images, short videos, informative articles, or interactive polls. Aim for a mix that resonates with your audience. A consistent content calendar, planning posts weeks in advance, ensures a steady flow of valuable information. Engagement is key to building a loyal community. Don't just post, interact. Respond to every comment and message, showing your audience you value their input. Encourage them to share their experiences with your brand, perhaps through contests or by featuring their content. Consider collaborating with influencers who align with your brand values. This can introduce your business to a new, relevant audience, expanding your reach significantly and fostering genuine connections. Finally, continuously analyze and optimize your efforts. Track key metrics such as reach, engagement rates, and conversion rates using the built-in analytics of each platform. Understand which types of content resonate most with your audience and at what times they are most active. Use these insights to refine your content strategy, adjust your posting schedule, and allocate your resources more effectively. This iterative process ensures your social media marketing remains impactful and achieves your business goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.